Hey guys, today we're making a super easy microwave meal. No stove needed. It's quick, effortless, and still packed with flavor. Using brown rice instead of white adds a nuttier flavor and a nice texture. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl, add a pinch of salt, and whisk. And add a single serving of rice to the bowl. Toss in some chopped green onions. Make crisscross cuts in the luncheon meat while it's still in the can. Then scoop it out with a spoon. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Mix well. Cover with plastic wrap, poke a few holes, and microwave for 2 minutes 30 seconds. And that's it. Drizzle a little more sesame oil and dig in. It's ridiculously easy, but that savory soy sauce and nutty sesame oil, totally addictive. So why not give it a try? It's easy, satisfying, and packed with flavor. Enjoy your simple K meal and happy eating.